How to make a very simple character animation in After Effects. When starting making character animations, you shouldn't try to make it too difficult for yourself. Don't try to animate every little thing, just stick to 1 or 2 movements. Again, it all starts in Illustrator. Make sure that you make separate layers from everything you want to animate and name them. Import to After Effects as a composition. I just want to move the hand with the hammer and the nail. First, with the Pan Behind tool, move the center point of the layers. Now you put keyframes for the rotation of the arm with the hammer. Copy the keyframes. With every hit, move the nail a little bit more into the frame. Choose position and put a keyframe just before the hit and directly when it hits. Move the hammer a bit more with every hit and adjust the keyframes. If you want, you can also move the eyebrows for a bit more detail. Now in your main composition, you can edit and play with the camera movements.